Hello, Peter here again. In this video you're going to learn how to manage all your devices in upKeeper Manager, so stay tuned. So let's start by looking at the benefits of just using one interface when you're managing all your devices. First of all, listing all devices in one place gives you a really good overview of all your devices. You can with ease create reports including all devices, so when it's time for some hardware replacements you can list them and you can filter them and you can see all devices that are up for some replacements. Helpdesk and administrators only have to have one account to log into the system and only one password as well, so that will be really easy for them. And overall, the day-to-day use will be much easier for the administrators and the helpdesk personnel. So let's have a look at the requirements. First of all, you have to have upKeeper Manager. It can be installed locally on your network or bought as a service from one of our resellers. As you know, upKeeper Manager is a really good system for using when you want to manage all your Windows clients. Next up, you have to have upKeeper MDM up and running. upKeeper MDM is always bought like a cloud service. And if you have both systems up and running, you probably have administrators administrating the both systems, logging into them from day to day and managing all your clients, but in separate interfaces. To be able to manage them all from one interface, from the upKeeper Manager interface, you have to do the configuration between them, and when they are integrated into each other, they will send information between, and you can see all the information in upKeeper Manager. But you can still, if you wish, you can manage your mobile devices in the upKeeper MDM system as well. So let's jump into the interface and see what it looks like. Here we are logged into the upKeeper Manager, and we have selected the organization we want to manage. Let's go on and click the Devices tab so we can see all of our devices. Here they are listed all together. If you want to see just the computers, we can click the Computer Filtering button, and all the computers will be listed. In our case, we want to see the mobile devices, so we click the Mobile Device Filtering button, and all the mobile devices are listed. Let's go on and click into one of the devices, the iPad 2. In the General Information tab, we will see all the client information for just this device. We can see it when it was last active. We can see the battery level at that state and at that time, and we can see when it was last inventoried. More information about the device will be found under General, like the name of the device, the model, the platform. If it's a mobile phone, we can see the phone number and carrier and so on. We can see the EMEI number as well. So we get a lot of information from the first screen of the device. If you click the Applications tab, we can see all the applications installed on this device. If we want to like to add an application, click the Add button, and there is a dialog with all available applications, and we can select the application we want to install and click Add Application. When the application is installed, it will be listed with all the other applications. And if we want to remove one of the applications, we just select the application we want to remove and click the Remove button. As simple as that. Back to the General tab again. On the top of the screen you can see the client actions, and we can do some actions with this device. For instance, if a user calls in to the help desk and says that he lost his device, the first action would be to lock the device to be sure that it ain't open and available for everyone to see. So you can lock the device. The device will be locked in just 1 minute, so it'll go really quick. If the device is lost probably forever, you can wipe it so that any information will be removed from it. We can also clear the passcode if the user has forgotten the passcode, so I can start using the device and set a new passcode. And of course we can inventory the device from this screen as well. So as you can see, the day-to-day work on the mobile devices will be really simple if you have the integration to the upKeeper Manager interface. If you want to configure the integration to the MDM system, that's really simple. Let's go into the configuration tab. And furthermore, we go under the MDM section. Under the MDM section, we just type in the URL of our MDM cloud site, the address to the site. We add the username and we add the password and save. And within 15 minutes, the systems have synced up and you can see all your devices as we just saw in your own environment. So that's all. Hope you liked it. If you want to learn more, you can visit our website or our support site to get more information about upKeeper Manager. If you like this video, please click the like button below. If you want to subscribe, click the subscribe button as well if you haven't done so yet, and leave us a comment below. Hope to see you soon, and remember, work less, manage more. Bye.